Oh, and he's just here as an adult. I shouldn't have to do this.
No, you have to do it because you lost.
Bottles of beer on the wall, 70 bottles of beer on the wall, 70 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. Oh yeah, Mr. Halsey.
I'll be stuck on a rock. Another rock. How did we go through there and just go roaring over it?
Because they're not going the right way.
No,
we stuck here deliberately.
I'm tired. 360.
Paddling backwards. That's cool. That's cool. That was it, huh?
Recording.
Oh yeah! Wee! I'm about to.
There, I don't mind getting wet.
Okay, you come over here. Bologna. Pick off the rims off it. There's no covering to the top. Well, yeah, but.
Well, no, it's got its screen. It's an enclosed space.
What? No, we didn't.
And these are our digs.
It was a dangerous.
Here's all our stuff.
So the platforms are all spread around. There's plenty for you that are, or an outhouse that's all the way that in that direction. Sort of keep right, you'll get to the outhouse.
Right through here. You see, there's like a little pocket.
Yeah, let me open it. Okay. Alright, crack it in. Is that an entrance? Hold up, the zipper is ripped or something.
You broke the zipper, dude?
No, I didn't break it. So.
You look like the queen bee. What about you, Senior Patrol Leader?
Fantastic.
Yo, we're
Best part of the day so far.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna leave it.
No, I'm asking you, like, what was your best
Part of the day so far? Oh, I don't know. Just getting the guys down that river.
What do you mean? It was
Getting
breakfast.
stuck on every rock and then getting there first anyways.
Yo, no. Nothing could be better than food. Food is the best thing.
Now food is temporary. Water rafting is forever.
Says Beckham right here.
What's up?
So, best part of the day so far.
My best part of the day? I took an awesome nap waiting for you guys.
Yeah, I bet.
I was there for a little bit just basking in the sun.
This is Sierra, she's getting wood. What was your favorite part of the day, Sierra? Was it the fact that Frankie had to keep getting them unstuck instead of you? This normally isn't my job with the camera, but the camera guy didn't come for whatever reason. So he's like, here, I'm giving you the camera. I'm like, probably shouldn't have recorded all of that. Anyway, here's the kitchen cookery area. There's a nice daisy chain over there, and yeah, that looks like it.